Hello everyone, today's topic is application of integrals and today we are going to solve some questions from exercise 8.1, that is finding the area of the bounded region is the concept. The question is find the area of the region bounded by the curve y square is equal to x and the lines x is equal to 1, x is equal to 4 and the x-axis. Now on seeing the equation y square is equal to x, what do you observe? Yes, it is the equation of a parabola and it is y square. No, so the parabola lies on either side of y-axis. Here the equation is positive, so we have to take right side. We have to take the right side parabola. Then x is equal to 1, x is equal to 4 denotes straight lines. Now you have to combine both the diagrams and you should get the area of the bounded region like this. We have taken y square is equal to x, so you have to take right side. Since it is positive, you are taking right side parabola. Now let's move on to the question. The area of the region bounded by the curve y square is equal to x and the lines x is equal to 1, x is equal to 4 and the x-axis is the area ABCD. It is already marked there. Now it is y square is equal to x, isn't it? So we have to take a region bounded by x-axis. So the formula to be used is integral y dx. The formula to be used is integral y dx. Now what is y here? Y square is equal to x. So y is equal to square root of x. So in the place of y, you have to substitute square root of x. And how do we get the limits? X is equal to 1, x is equal to 4. So that should be taken as the limits. So integral over 1 to 4, over the limits 1 to 4, square root of x dx. On solving this, we'll get x power half, square root of x is nothing but x to the power half. So on integrating, you will get x power half plus 1 by half plus 1. So it is x power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. Now when you write the denominator, you have to write the reciprocal because 2 goes to the numerator. So you will get 2 by 3 into. Substitute the limits in the place of x. The first one is 4 to the power 3 by 2 minus the second limit is 1. It is 1 to the power 3 by 2. Now 3 by 2 can be divided into 1 by 2 into 3. Power 3 by 2 can be divided into 1 by 2 into 3. Now what is 4 to the power 1 by 2? It is square root of 4. Square root of 4 is 2. So we will get 2 cube. Square root of 1 is 1 cube. So it is 2 by 3 into 2 cube minus 1 cube. 2 cube is 8, 1 cube is 1. So we will get 2 by 3 into 8 minus 1. That's equal to 2 by 3 into 7. That's equal to 14 by 3 units. Next, we will move on to question number 3. Here, find the area of the region bounded by x square is equal to 4y, y is equal to 2, y is equal to 4 and the y-axis in the first quadrant. Here also we are getting the equation of a parabola. Here it is x square is equal to 4y. So the parabola lies on either side of x-axis. Here the equation is positive, so we have to take the parabola that lies above the x-axis. And y is equal to 2, y is equal to 4. They are straight lines. And that y is equal to 2 and y is equal to 4 will be taken as limits. Now you have to combine the parabola that lies above and the y-axis line so that you will get a diagram like this. Now the area of the bounded region is ABCD. When you observe, you can find that. You have to find the area of the bounded region because they have asked for the first quadrant. So you have to take the area in the first quadrant only. So the area is ABCD. And here it is the region is bounded by y-axis. So since it is y-axis, the formula will be integral x dy. The formula for finding the area will be integral x dy. Here the limit is 2 to 4 because y is equal to 2 and y is equal to 4 is given. That should be taken. Now, how do we get this 2 into square root of y? What is the value of x? X square is equal to 4y. So x is equal to square root of 4y. Square root of 4 is 2 and root y remains as it is. Next, on integrate, take 2 outside. It is a constant that should be taken out. Then, square root of y is nothing but y to the power half. On integrating, we will get y to the power half plus 1 by half plus 1. Half plus 1 is nothing but 3 by 2. So, y to the power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. Now, that 3 by 2, 2 goes to the numerator and 3 can also be taken out. So, we will get 4 by 3 outside. Because 3 will be there in the denominator, 2 goes to the numerator. Already we have 2 in the numerator. So, 2 2s are 4. 4 by 3 will come there. Then, in the place of y, substitute the limits. The limits are 4 and 2 and that should be substituted. On substituting the limits, we will get 4 by 3 into 4 to the power 3 by 2 minus 2 to the power 3 by 2. Now 3 by 2 can be split as 1 by 2 into 3. We can split the power into 2 parts, that is half into 3. Power half is nothing but square root. So we will get 2 by 3 into 4 power half the whole cube minus 2 power half the whole cube. What is 4 to the power half? It is square root of 4. Square root of 4 is 2. Then 2 to the power half, it is just square root of 2 only. So it is 2 cube minus square root 2 the whole cube. Now we will get 2 cube is 2 into 2 into 2. It is 8. Root 2 the whole cube is root 2 into root 2 into root 2. 2 root 2. Now we are getting this. After this multiply. 4 8s are 32 minus 4 into 2 root 2 is 8 root 2 by 3 units. This is the answer. Hope you all are clear with these sums. Thank you.